leave. Rest of them out. Back on.
Yeah. Damn, dude.
I almost wrecked you.
You almost got me.
Almost got you. I'm really surprised, Mark.
What?
See, this is normal.
All that?
See this right here?
Yeah.
It's like an automatic transmission that has clutch material, clutch fiber.
Oh.
I've seen them 80,000, just shit all over, just fragments, you can tell. Somebody's been there once. Because this oil is fairly clean. Of course, I already told you that. I'm gonna clean a couple of these teeth and show you your wear pattern. I have a red rag that doesn't have shit all over it. Oh, it went in my eye. If I got a low side, I can always drag it back and spin it in circles. So it's completely sealed. And I do not put it in the hole where the bolt goes. Do not get it in the hole. Like that. Ah, I'm getting fancy. You like that? All right, son, do your thing. They spent $1.5 billion and figured out what was the problem on these AC compressors. Oh, you gotta take a picture of it. Good. We told you to.